Kasi ako matanda na, 73 ako ngayon. I should be, I think about mga 75, 76. May cancer kasi ako. But you're thinking that I'm running? You are speculating that I am running. Is that the popular notion sa...
Yes. Yes, Mr. President.
Yan ang isip ninyo. And it is the almost a... O sige, tatakbo na lang ako.
Mayor, si,
Yung gusto ninyo.
Mayor, si Salvador Panilo, naging tuhak daw ang kung dili daw senador o mayor diyan ipulaganan according to attorney.
Well, let me put it this way. Kilala naman niyo ako. I've been your mayor for so many years now. You think that I can carry a national campaign at my age? Or you want me to die? Magkukulaps lang ako niyan eh. Well, anyway guys, I think that at my age, 73, mukhang hindi ko na kaya. Let us be realistic about it.
So are you considering local position?
Well, I am open to suggestions from the media. What do you think I should be gunning for? Iyo yan.
Mayor.
Course, ikaw. Sino ka?
Also,
Mayor kayo.
Kaya mo pa, Mayor? Kaya mo ba?
Sure,
Mayor.
Yan ang gusto. Is it a public clamor? Sa media? Well, is the media's sentiment now reflect the
Yes, of course.
community, ano?
Yes, of course.
Gusto ng tao, ibig sabihin?
Yes,
Yes.
Sige, mag-mayor tayo.
Bakit Mayor Baste and
Malapit to Mayor Baste.
He should be the vice mayor. Kasi ako matanda na, 73 ako ngayon. I should be, I think about mga 75, 76. May cancer kasi ako. Makakalain ng lahat ng tao. Healthy. Baka hindi pa rin inabot.
Mayor to be Duterte Duterte.
Well, if it's their pleasure, why not? Yes. Ano gusto nang malaman sa akin? Ako totoo yan. Wala pa. Wala tayong pugo. Kaya nga namamatay yung mga tao dito dahil sa illegal drugs. Pugo, that is, we are too far away from that. Hindi mo ka alam maglaro ng pugo. Alam mo maglaro ng pugo?
So you're going to appear, Mayor,
Sa,
sa Congress?
well, if they will invite me, I just hope that they would ask educated questions.
How do you feel, Mayor, na yung mga pulis natin, Karma, Leon, and others, sa ngayon, contempt sila kung hindi makaka-Christmas with their family dahil
They will have court on legally. Iko-consult ako sa mga abogado. I would leave it to the lawyers to hindi ako practicing lawyer. So I would not know the dynamics of what are the rules now. All that I can do is to provide them with lawyers. Tutulong talaga ako sa police pati military. Lalo na in the performance of their duty, itataya ko pati ang sarili kong reputasyon.
any comment about the Congress, yung pinaka-congressman Mayor, tapos ngayon ang Congress, mukha naging investigating body, mas masama ko sa NBI na contempt ang kanilang mga resource person.
Ang suggestion ko nga, i-abolish na ng NBI, pati police sila, ano? That's my suggestion. Tell me.
Sir Pero sabi ni Inday, may Duterte tatakbo ng senador. Sino kaya? Paulo, Basti, or you?
Not me. Hindi ko na kaya sa.
Basti, siguro? Ano ba?
I really do not know. Hindi kami nag-uusap eh.
Isipan nila, Mayor.
Truth to tell, we have yet to sit down at this very late filing na of what we would like things to happen sa aming political life. Ako, I'm ready to retire. Hindi naman ako sa marunong, but maybe the desire to be senator, mayor, or nandyan, but ang problema, ang katawan, ang hindi na. May trabaho kasi yan. And if it would entail or require me to travel a lot, physical movement, mukhang hindi ko na. May ano kasi ako, may imbalance. Kasi yung pera ko sa right pocket, pati sa left, hindi it's not even. Wala na ang pera eh. Kaya baka tatakbo ako, totoo.
Ngayon, sino pang dadagdag sa PDP line-up for senators?
Sa totoo talaga, frankly, wala pa akong, hindi ko pa na, I have yet to read the list na nag-file ng ano nila, candidacy. Hindi ko alam sino yung nagtuloy, sino hindi.
Kuya Mayor, kung sa debate sa usap ka famous nga Rodrigo Duterte nga aniyang kapo na nakaroon sa politika. Si Rico Duterte nag-file na sa iyang COC for councilor. How about Kapitan Omar Duterte? Will he file for congressman in the second district of Davao?
Gusto man siguro nila ako, ihatag na lang nila. Give it to them. You know, ito at wala itong ano. Do you know the reason why? It's because we come from a political family. Even in the now, post-war, basahin ninyo, Google nyo ninyo, nandiyan yan. Post-war, right after, ang tatay ko, naging mayor na ng Danao, which is a city now. Hindi talaga nawala sa politika ko. Dating dito, he served for a few years as a secretary to the board, or provincial secretary, they call it. Then politics again. And sa kanya. So, political family kami. I am not surprised, even if I do not want them to, kasi magulo, well, hindi naman walang kwenta. Pangit naman pakinggan, pero merong trabaho mas maganda pa dyan sa magiging politiko. Hindi ka naman magnegosyo ka, magyayaman ka. Ngayon, kung pasok ka ng politika, magnakaw ka talaga. To assure you of a comfortable and luxurious retirement. Kung hindi ka marunong magnakaw, I think that at one time sa buhay mo as a politician, you better stop and think of going into a more profitable or productive life. Hindi ka makaasa dyan sa sweldo. Kailangan ka magnakaw. Ngayon, kung hindi ka marunong magnakaw, paano mo nakawin? You have to falsify, you have to ghost project.